There we go. It's Monday. Got a Ford Territory. I don't know whether you've seen a video that I put up a little while back about noises mean something. Have a listen to this. You ready? What do you reckon? You think it's a balancer, or you reckon it's a drive plate? Converters come loose. Catalytic converter collapse. I'll show you what it is. I don't know how long this guy's been driving it like this. They traded this vehicle in the other day. Yeah, that sounds good. I'll give you a squiz at what the problem is in a moment. Check this out. I'll get the torch down here. I think we can see that. Check this. Yeah, nice. How long do you reckon it's been doing that? So anyway, we've got a second hammer I'm going to put on it.
And he is waiting to
now let's remove the other one. And should be good to go. So I bring you that little update. I've got to put some front diff carrier bushes in it as well. But, that's the reason the guy traded it in. Anyway, yeah. So, but it's also a good one.